arriving in, we're actually in Rio Rancho currently. We are hitting a couple of sites on our Breaking Bad tour before going and checking into our hotel in Old Town Albuquerque. So super excited about that. We are stopping at Walt's school and Casa Tranquila first, and then we'll head to the hotel to check in. So super excited to get this Breaking Bad tour started.
We're at J.P. Wynne High School, or in real life it's Rio Rancho High School. We just took a shot from the show. They've added a bunch of fencing in their schoolyard where you can't get back up and in to a lot of the filming sites. Gee, I wonder why. Right. Because all these tourists would distract from classes a little bit, I might think. It looks like we're the only tourists here today. It is like 11 years after the show, so I mean. And 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so that might have something to do with it. But here we are. Start of our Breaking Bad tour. Getting it. Let's do this. So we're here at Casa Tranquila, or whatever the hell they call it in real life. This one's cool because I think this was one of my most favorite moments in the show that happened here. Face Off. When Walter talked Hector Salamanca into helping him take out a very important character. Alright, going to the hotel, let's get checked in. So, we are now starting our Breaking Bad tour, day 2 in Albuquerque. We're starting with the Candy Lady shop. They are the ones that made the meth for the show, so we're gonna buy some meth. Yeah, I've told you this like 3 times. Yeah, so super excited, gonna buy some meth. Alright, so we just got done at the Candy Lady shop. That was super cool. I got a little bit of footage of all of the other candy and everything. They have... Stop it, Pink! Stop it! Yeah, we were able to take some pictures by the candy meth, which was super cool. And we also got... They made the candy meth for the first 2 seasons of the show, the blue stuff. Super cool. I guess then the production company did or something? Who knows? Yeah, I don't remember exactly what happened, but yeah, super cool. And now we are off to our next stop. I don't remember what it is. We'll update with you when you get there. So we are here at Jesse Pinkman's house. We hear the folks that live here aren't super huge fans of photos, so we're gonna kind of be a little more respectful and just stay in the car. But yeah, that is Jesse Pinkman's house, right there. But yeah, here's the little side area. Oh my goodness.
Head north on 16th Street Southwest, then turn right.
Oh my goodness.
So we just ate at the Doghouse, our 3rd stop on our Breaking Bad tour of the day. What do you think?
The only thing I have to complain about is that it's not dark and I don't get to see the tail wagging and the hot dog going into the mouth. I wanted to drive by and see this last night and we were just tired.
Totally should have.
We've been tired.
Our hotel, the Holiday Inn Express and Suites Old Town Albuquerque, was a great spot to start your Breaking Bad tour. So highly enjoyed the food at the Doghouse. It was super cool to see the Doghouse. So let's head on to our next stop. Our next stop is Java Joe's. A very iconic place in the Breaking Bad world. They even have, oh no, hopefully you can see it.
Apologize for the shakiness. There we go. Remember my name.
So the angle won't be quite right here, and I'm also holding my own camera, so you don't get the full effect. But I'm gonna do the little walk across the street here, like Walt did back to his car. Oh my goodness! Tuco's spot right here. Super cool. Let's get me out of here and just enjoy that.
So we're just finishing up at the Albuquerque, so that we're Civic Plaza. We're walking back to our car now so that we don't risk getting a ticket or getting towed. We're not 100% sure that we can park where we did.
Legally.
So, you know, found a spot and parked there because we were here for like 5 minutes. Don't do what we did, people. Anyway, super cool to see where Jesse came and met Walt. I want to say towards the end of season 5. I don't remember exactly when it takes place, but it's a grand old time.
So we are rolling up on the Sims building, aka the DEA offices. We're not gonna like go inside, but there it is.
Alrighty, so we're here at the next stop in our Breaking Bad tour, starting in the downtown area. We're at the Albuquerque Railyards.
So it's super loud because we're right off the highway. But here we are at the Crystal Palace, or the Crossroads Motel in real life. I told Jess, oh no, Wendy's not here. I guess you'll have to give me a Wendy. She didn't think it was very amusing. But yeah, here we are.
So our next stop on our little tour here is Jesse and Jane's apartment that they lived in. Not 100% sure which one they filmed in exactly here, but it's a cute little apartment complex. So we're at the filming location of Walt's new apartment when he moves out of him and Skyler's home in season 3, I think. Don't remember the exact season, towards the middle/end of the show. I looked up the filming location of where they filmed here, and it was in the little courtyard that you'll see here in just a moment. And just like Skyler in the show, yeah, we're stuck too. So, you know, there's that, but still a cool place to see. Oh, it's really bright, but it's fine.
Do you want to turn a different direction?
Maybe.
The house is right there.
Yeah. We're just gonna deal with
house.
brightness.
I'm wearing sunglasses, so it's not so bad for me.
Yeah, I know. I need to get transition glasses, let's be real.
But yeah, Gus Fring's house.
Yeah! Oh my gosh, so we're both a little giddy. We just got to the Delta Uniform and Linen is the real life name of this place. But in Breaking Bad, it is the lovely Meth Lab. We are rolling up here to 3828 Piermont Drive Northeast, which just happens to be the Breaking Bad house. Next stop on our Breaking Bad tour here, Mr. Saul Goodman's office. It's currently Duke City Sports Bar and Grill. We're not going inside this one, but there you have it. Saul Goodman's office. Car wash takes center stage in money laundering scheme, but it's all for show. That's cool. Kid to keep him entertained with this. Hello, hello.
Wow.
Next stop on our trip is Hank and Marie's house here. So,
It's much less like anti-tourist here.
much less Fort Knox type.
So I feel like between it being a little bit out of the way
Definitely.
and it being a little bit less prominent in the show, that they haven't had to go to the lengths to try to prevent people from harassing them that
Seriously.
the people that live in Walt and Skyler's house did.
There's Kelly. I don't think I've showed Kelly in the vlog yet. Kelly is our nice little rental car that we got here. She's got a bath, so she's looking real pretty. She's real fancy too. Maybe we'll have to show some features on our way to Petrified. So let's head on down to the, oh, we forgot a spot. The day spa and nails is where we're headed next. So see y'all there. But we've stopped here at the day spa and nail where Mr. Jimmy had his law office in the back little office there. Cute little place. I love that it's actually called Day Spa and Nail. It's great. We have arrived at Twister's. You guys, this is ridiculous. Normally, like, I can handle spicy food. And Nathan's laughing at me because I'm recording this. This isn't even that spicy. And I'm dying for some reason, guys. It's really good though. We've ate most of it. I got a picture. I'll insert that here. But, oh. Thank God for these lovely, nice people at Twister's, including Nathan. That's getting me a tortilla so that I don't die from this stupid heat. The spiciness, not the actual heat. The actual heat isn't bad here. So we have a surprise stop on our Breaking Bad tour. We decided to stop here on our way to Twister's once we were done. Here we are at the good old Sunport.
We're almost to the spot that they used in the filming.
It was right about in this area here. It only appeared in a couple of scenes.
Oh man. Another surprise stop here for you.
Our last stop on our Breaking Bad tour. This one's a little bit farther out.
It may or may not be familiar. If you're a fan of the show, you probably recognize this type of country. We are at the site, or very near to it,
As close as we could probably get.
of the first cook, and where the money barrels were buried,
Oh, let me hold the camera so you can see both of us.
and where Hank got shot. A lot of shit goes down.
A
Right
lot goes down out here.
Important.
Yes, extremely important stuff. Super pretty, super cool. So yeah. Gorgeous New Mexican desert.
Farewell to ABQ.